We did some new branding this year. So we rebranded the Flavor Chef Inc. Love is the ultimate spice. Look at the bottom. Woohoo! Broth is good for you, bud. Look at our nice new bag, everybody. Flavor Chef new branding. Look at that beautiful back. Flexiglassily printed. 5mm thick. Not gonna leak anymore. Perfect, man. This feels great. Look at that, beautiful. Organic certifiers, paleo, BPA free. Little Grateful Dead endorsement, USDA certified organic. The chicken, 10 grams of protein per serving. See the window on our beautiful gelatinous broth. Organic source of protein in every cup. 10 grams in the chicken, man. It's gonna blow everyone's packaging away, dude. This is really sweet.